Ciaugirwo ngemi inyanya cia tuiritu tuhatha miaka iiri mithiru aciari magikenerera kirathimo gia ciana. No hari na undu ungi. Ciana ici ciaciarirwo cinyitanite kianda wa mugongo iria ciuikaine na githungu ta conjoined twins. Video ino ironania uria ciana ici cikaraga cinyitanite. No utuko wa gukia umuthi uma wa mwanya muno thutha wa madagitari a thibitari ya Kenyatta rungu rwa unyitaniri na ataramu a science a University ya Nairobi gutigithukania ciana ici na njira ya Ndumiriri yake President Kenyatta niatugiritie madagitari aya akiuga ati giko giki ni kionereria kia uria utungata wa urigitani uthiete gikiro kia iguru mathibitari-ini ma muingi. Oho ni ahoeire na akendera ciana icio cokereru wa ugima wa mwiri na ihenya uria kwahoteka. Mwena-ini wake, ofitha uria unyitirire urugamiriri wa thibitari ya Kenyatta Thomas Mutie augete riri nirio rita ria mbere gutigithukanio kwa mahatha gitaru-ini kia Africa.
And did this surgery that took up to 23 hours. As you can see, is a surgery that achieved a first in the country. It is the first time in sub-Saharan Africa, outside South Africa, where this kind of operation has been done successfully. And I visited the children in the morning in the ICU, and they are doing very well. They are recovering from their surgery, and they are doing very well. So this feat is a statement to the world that in KNH and in Kenya we can do what other people can do.
Dagitari murugamiriri wa timu ya aria marathinjire ciana ici augite ndurari wira muhuthu kuona ati mehaririria ma uthinjani ucio matafanitio kwa ihinda ria miaka iiri na maratafanirio ni madagitari 60. Ciana ici riu ire rungu wa urori munene wa madagitari ginya icokererie ugima wacio wa mwiri. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, jetagwo Muthoni wa Mukiri.